welcome to my channel. I'm Priya and I hope that you all are doing great. So today I'm going to do a really colorful thing. As you know, Holi is today and Dhulandi is tomorrow. So on Dhulandi, we all play with colorful colors that are holy colors. We celebrate this festival of Holi with holy colors. We enjoy, and in every house a sweet is also made. A sweet mithai is also made. We all enjoy, but some person are unable to play with holy colors because some people have sensitive skin and they also have allergy because of the chemicals present in the holy colors. So today I will tell you how to make organic holy colors that will not have any chemicals. Really? Yeah. So let's get started. So first, the things that we need to make this are corn flour, food color, water, spoon. Only these things. Really? Yeah. So if you want to see the list of the ingredients, you can also see in the description box. So let's get started. So at first, I have water in this bowl. Some water, a little bit of. One thing is also left in the ingredients list. This essence, or you can say extract. I am having rose essence. You can also use vanilla essence. So I am putting 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 drops of rose essence. Rose essence have really strong smell. So don't use more than 4 drops. Or if you are making large quantity of colors, then you can use. So now I am having food coloring. These food colors: green, orange red, and lemon yellow. What should I use? I think red. So let's get started. So use the food coloring carefully because it is difficult to remove the color from your hands. But when you play with this holy color, when you will play with this holy color, it will be removed so easily from your hands, face, etc. But pure color is difficult. So we will mix the food coloring in the water like this. It is having a really dark red color like the blood. So now I am having another bowl. In this bowl I am having this cornstarch. So I will take some cornstarch. 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 So guys, here I have my cornstarch. It is also white, so I don't think that you're able to see it. Now what we have to do, here I'm having the water, and we will put the water in the cornstarch, and you will see the reaction that it will start become harder. Hard. Only a little bit harder. Only a little bit of harder. Crush the hard stones and mix it. It will look like this. I will show you. It will be like this, full of crumbles. Mix it, mix. I think that I should put a little bit more water. It should not be liquidy. If it is liquidy by mistake, then put a little bit more cornstarch. So now, oh my god, hands. We have to use hands and we have to crumble this. You have to remove all the lumps present in it. You can use any color you have. So, it should not have any lumps. Here it is all done. Okay, so it is ready to use. And I'm having one more color. Green color. Green, green, green. Green Holi color I'm also having. You can see orange and green. So, happy Holi! Enjoy your Dhulandi with these colors. Bye bye and happy Holi again. Happy Holi! It works. As you can see, it works. I'm so happy. Today is Holi and tomorrow is Dhulandi. I will really enjoy the Dhulandi and I think that you will also.